Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and an edited version of this bodycam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our YouTube channel membership. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of their actions and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
Do you need anything to be filled in, or? Nope. Alright, they're gonna be right up the stairs. Do you want to follow me, or?
Yeah, I don't know where I'm going.
Dude, I thought the same thing that you did. I was like, you're 30.
We're gonna go the sidewalk around just because it's
Oh, okay.
big step down.
On February 27, 2025, at approximately 10:20 p.m., Officer Luv St with the Pullman Police Department responded to a report of an alleged assault that had occurred at Phi Gamma Delta on 8010 NE Opal Street. He arrived at the fraternity house, made contact with a few males who escorted the officers to a bedroom upstairs. In the bedroom, the officers made contact with 19-year-old Layla Rhodes, and the officers were told that she had allegedly assaulted multiple individuals.
Pullman, you know, I have somebody that can transport while I write paper. Copy. Which car are you in?
Layla told Officer St. Andre that she was upset because Seth Starkey, her boyfriend of 2 years, had given her chlamydia. She also believed that Seth was transmitting chlamydia to multiple other individuals. Based on her frustration, she drove approximately 70 miles all the way from Eastern Washington University to confront Seth. During this time, it is alleged that she assaulted him by throwing her keys at him.
Do you have anything on you that you shouldn't?
No, sir.
Alright, we're gonna go. Stand right back there on the black part, face the window. Separate your legs from it. Do you have anything on you that's sharp?
No, sir.
During the confrontation, some of the other people removed Layla from the room, and Ethan Johnson attempted to prevent her from going back inside the room. Ethan had a red mark on his nose, and Seth had a laceration above his left brow. Based on their investigation, Officer St. Andre placed Layla under arrest for domestic violence and assault. Layla was handcuffed, placed in Officer Germer's patrol car, and transported by Officer Germer to the Whitman County Jail for further processing. Officer Germer questioned her further about the alleged assaults at the jail, and she gave contradictory responses.
Because it's domestic violence, you are going to be going to the county jail.
Okay.
So you can be released by a judge.
Gotcha.
Oh, we need to get there.
Using the back of my hand.
I don't have a trainee anymore.
Back of my hand. Maybe separate your legs again. Alright, be using the back of my hand again. And I'm going to pour out what's in your water bottle, okay?
Okay.
Just one. Just for precaution, I'm just going to make sure there's nothing in your hair.
Could you just take it out? Like
Take
my
it?
hair? Yes, please.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Is that okay?
I don't need to. I mean, I can.
It's just, if you could, I don't know if you're allowed to. Thank you. Thank you.
I'll put this with your property.
Thank you.
Also, while you're in the back of the car, you're going to be audio and video recorded by the camera directly in front of you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am. Okay.
Date of birth of 1105-2005, Male Washington.
I don't have the boyfriend.
Can ask your passenger about firearms?
Do you have any firearms?
No, sir.
Do you have any access to firearms?
No, sir.
Good.
She does not have any firearms, and she does not have access to any firearms.
Thank you.
Excuse me? I have a question.
What's that?
Do you guys need any ID from me?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. I was just gonna let you guys know that I don't have my wallet on me, but I have it in my vehicle.
In your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Just in case you guys needed that.
2304.
Okay, just wait by the front of my car there. Yep. GL staff's gonna come out and they're gonna ask you some questions. And
What's your name?
Layla.
Layla? Do you have any breathing difficulties?
No, sir.
Okay, have you experienced a loss of taste or smell?
No, sir.
Have you experienced nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea? Okay, have you been in contact with anyone diagnosed with COVID-19 or is placed in quarantine?
No, sir.
Okay, is there any possibility that you could be pregnant?
No, sir.
Okay. All inmates will be body scanned to check for contraband and all property items will be searched. Introduction of contraband such as controlled substances, alcohol, marijuana, and other intoxicants, cell phones, or other electronics into a correctional facility is a felony criminal offense. You receive amnesty from criminal charges for introduction of contraband into a correctional facility if you honestly and accurately provide information about any contraband before entering the booking area. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you have anything on you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll get your temperature and then we'll bring you inside. All right, follow me. What's your name again?
Layla.
Layla?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Layla. I'll have you stand right in front of the counter. What should you say, baby?
I'm
okay, what's the first question?
We're gonna go do that scan I told you about.
Can you tell me about the guy that you assaulted with the mug?
the guy assaulted.
Huh?
That I threw like the keys and phone at?
Is it the guy she threw the keys and the phone at?
I don't know anybody there besides him.
Nope. Did you hit somebody with your mug?
I did, probably.
Did you hit an Asian male with your mug? He was like standing in the doorway.
In the doorway. Possibly. I don't know any of their names.
Possibly. Did you hit somebody with your mug?
I definitely probably did.
So she definitely probably did hit somebody with the
I'm
mug,
not sure who. I don't know.
but she
any
doesn't
of
know
their
who. Did you kick a guy on the stairs?
On the stairs. Sure, I don't know.
She says sure, she doesn't know.
I was being like held back by multiple people, so I'm sure I like pushed back.
She said sure, she doesn't know. But she says that she was being held back. Did you kick somebody in the chest?
The chest. In the chest?
Yeah.
I don't know.
She says she
Yeah,
does
sure,
not know.
Yeah.
But then, yeah, sure. I mean, you don't have to admit to anything if you're not sure.
Layla was charged with the following: 1. Assault, 3rd degree DV RCW 9A36031 and 1s, 3rd degree RCW 9A36031 to the 3rd assault, 4th degree RCW 9A36004.
I'm not sure. They have cameras, right?
She's not sure. All right, anything else? Okay, Roger Dodger. Good day. I'm finished.
All right, we're gonna head